we have got another water challenge. Do I go through it? I'm going through it. Come on. So I'm on 0 power now. Oh, 1% battery. 2% battery. 3% battery. 4% battery. Hello. So here is the second part of the range test, where the original bike ride I did down to Brood took in about 18 miles, and now I'm down to 33% battery, so I want to use it up and basically carry on in sport mode until I'm not really happy with how the bike rides. So at the moment it's still very rideable. I'm in level 5 sport mode and it's fine. I'm going 20 miles an hour and pulling. So still getting decent, very decent speed, and it's now reading 26%. The other purpose of this is obviously to do nighttime rides, so I want to get some nighttime footage from the bike. I might see if I can do a lap of my my usual route, and hopefully it won't die before I get back. The light seems pretty good. I mean, the street lights here anyway, so it's not that I can't see. You want other people to be able to see me. I really should have bought my reflective band. Oh well. Yeah, it's pulling really well still. 21% the battery's saying. And usually I've got an e-scooter anywhere under 50%. It's pretty much dead to the world. Maybe. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's embarrassing. So, I mean, what would be interesting is if this does run out of steam, can I get back? Because, you know, I don't want to get stranded. So this is what throttle's handy for, is getting you through things like that really quick. So we're going to go left. I'm going to take it easy just in case someone's coming. You've got good visibility actually. You can see a decent way ahead and the floor. Oh, I'm going to be careful. Oh, there could be that low branches. Actually, going downhill it's a bit dodgy. Someone could be coming and I wouldn't know until the last minute. So what I really need is kind of like a high beam. 16%. That's up a bit. Slightly. That's better. Let's go. That's better. Give us a shout out in the comments if you're still with me. I know a lot of people would have been thinking, right, that's too dark, ain't bothered about that. I'm off. I've got 9% battery now. I am going to be going in like an area kind of notorious for well, not notorious actually, that's a lie, it's not that bad at all actually, but you know, you might get people wanting the bike. So hopefully I can get through that and out of that with some battery, so I can still kind of, you know, run away. Oh, 3%, I felt it dying then. So, like right now, it's struggling, 2%. %3 again, it's gone up. So basically, can I get home? Obviously I don't want to fall in as well. There's a canal right here. You can see that, there's some canal boats. Oh god, that's dark. Oh, come on, give me some power please. God, this is kind of scary. I really shouldn't have done this. If anyone finds this footage in the future, it was the witch that killed me. Josh, where's the map? Very creepy around here. Like, if anyone is here, I would doubt their character. Because, you know, who does that? Who would walk around here at night time? Like, if someone jumped out right now, I would absolutely shit myself. I would probably just like do some wobbly things on the steering wheel. I'm coming to the bit where I go up the hill. So here's the hill. Can you make it up the hill? It's still pulling. I'm on 0% battery by the way. So I've got up there by rolling, and it's still trying to push me. So I'm very impressed. It's this park thing. Which way is it? It's this way. Yeah, I'm on 0% battery. I've done 37. I think I just headbutted myself or something. Yeah, I've done 30. I've done 20 miles. I've done 20 miles. They said, and this is very usable power. They said that on sport mode you get 20 miles, and that's what I'm getting. I'm back up to 2%. 1%. So 20 miles an hour now, 0% battery. What kind of weird 0% battery gets you 20%? 0%, what am I talking about? 20 miles an hour? I am so impressed. Ugh. Oh. Right, you ready? We have got another water challenge. Okay. Do I go through it? I'm going through it. Come on. That does look pretty deep. Oh god, that's deep. Oh shit, is it in the engine? Oh no, it's probably in the engine. That was really deep, that was. I hope you saw that. I mean, it's still working. I went to 7%. That was pretty high. So let's just get back. We're on 4%, 3%. So it went up then. You know what? This regen, because that was a hill. I went down a hill. I seem to have got more power back. When I get back, I'm going to do a few loops around the block just to check. I really hope I haven't damaged this bike, because that would be a darn shame, because it's a nice bike. But it's still working. To be fair, the motor is enclosed. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. So since I wasn't there that much, hopefully that means it's alright. Okay, we're back to 0% again. So the bike has regained some power, down to 7%. How far can I go for? And is it because I'm pedalling a bit? I did help it up that hill, and it's still doing well getting up that hill. This is unheard of. I'm honestly not very used to this. Let's just quickly get an image here. Oh, this bloody GoPro's a bag of shit. It's night time. Surely it's on some sort of auto mode. See, the Sony, when I do night rides using the Sony camera, it just looks like daytime still. Right. That's decent. Let's go. That's kind of scary. Did you hear that? Right. I've got 9% again. I've done about 21 miles now. We are going a bit slower, 17 miles an hour-ish. 2% battery now. 1% battery. Is this going to be it? 0% battery. 21.2 miles, only in sport mode, still going on 0%, 15.5 miles an hour, so I'm going the legal speed of an e-bike. Maybe I could put the power on 0 and help. So I'm on 0 power now. Oh, 1% battery, 2% battery, 3% battery, 4% battery. This is joking. It's taking the piss. 5%, 6%. This is. Are you getting this? Let's tilt it a bit. Oh hello. You waited. Thank you. Thank you. So I am running off my own steam, but I'm on 8% battery now. Right, I'm going to put it back up onto level 5. See if we can get home. So now I'm going 16, 17, 18 miles an hour. Previously I was on 0%. This is amazing. There's a cat. This is the weirdest e-bike I've ever owned, and the best. 2%. Throttle only, I've stopped pedaling now. 1%, 17 miles an hour. 0%, 16 miles an hour. I'm losing it. It is still doing something, but it's struggling. So right now, throttle only, I'm getting 13. 0% battery. Right, I'm going to pedal for a bit again. So this is just me again. Where am I? Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh, you don't want to have to do it at 0%. Still on 0%. Oh, 1%. Two, three. Right, 4%. And now the throttle is giving me 18.5 miles an hour again. Gee. So yeah, it works. The throttle was giving me 13 because it was slowing right down. This is level ground. And now the throttle's giving me 17. It is dropping. I'm on 0% again. So let's go home. It feels like at 0%, this is about as fast as a legal UK e-bike, 250 watts. That's how it feels. In fact, what is the power reading? That's the lights. Power. Let's see what the power output is. At 0%, this bike is putting out you're getting that 300 watts. That's what the Engwe Engine Pro can do at 0%. It can put out 50 watts more than the legal limit of the UK, 0%. That is mad. I feel like I could keep going. Let's go round again. Let's go round again. Just as we're finishing off then, any of you guys thinking about getting this bike, the Engwe Engine Pro, or its little brother, the EP2 Pro, or little sister? This could be the sister. Let's pretend this is the sister. The big sister, the Engwe Engine Pro. I have to say, it's got to be the best value e-bike you can get. Both of them. This one and the other one. Let's end it there. So there we go. That was the range test and the nighttime test. Good visibility at night. I would like a bit of a bigger spread on the light though. And range as advertised, more than advertised. More than 20 miles, 23 miles I got in sport mode. It was struggling a bit when it got to about 19 probably. I think that's what it was. Just rewind the video if you can't remember. But with a bit of recharging, so the regen really does work. I'm amazed. Well, anyway, Full review of this bike is coming in a few days. Do check that out. Find out if I got through that big horrible puddle in the country. Until then, if you want this bike, look for the links below. Ride safe. Thanks for watching. I'm still going. Do you know when I finished the video? Well, I didn't finish the video, I carried on. I'm still going.